Hi Capricorn, welcome to Omkara Tarot, and let's do a mid-month love check-in for you. Mid-month, August. So these are general collective readings. Capricorn will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you, okay, and leave the rest. And as I was shuffling, the star wanted to show face, so I'm going to keep this aside and see what it's going to say for our reading. So with that said, let's begin. Dear God, Goddesses, Angels, Spirit Guides, please bless this reading for Capricorn and send us the messages they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So Capricorn, thank you all my subscribers. Believe it or not, our little family has grown to over 1,000 subscribers in less than 3 months. I'm so overwhelmed with all your love. Thank you so much for sending me so much positive energy. Thank you. And if you're new here, this is our little Omkara family. We meet here weekly for love readings, monthlies, bi-monthlies, you and yours, and even money and work readings. So join us. We welcome you in. And if you're new here, I'm setting down 2 sets of cards. One is for you, one is for your person. And in the center, we'll have your mutual energies. I'll be referring them as person A, person B. Please feel free to fit yourself whichever side you think is relevant to you. So for the person A, the first card I have here is the Chariot, but it's in reverse. Queen of Cups in reverse again. 5 of Wands in reverse, which is a great card to have in reverse. Ace of Pentacles upright. 6 of Swords and the Fool. For person B, we have the Page of Swords, 8 of Swords, 6 of Pentacles in reverse, Ace of Wands upright, 5 of Cups, and the 3 of Swords. The Chariot, okay, for person A, let's start clarifying the cards from this end. The Chariot in reverse is something is not moving ahead. There is somebody here who's no longer interested in sharing love. They don't want to be conflicted anymore. I have this card twice over now for them. Six of Wands. Letting go of stress and tension and fighting and pulling back from person B, it seems. No longer wanting to share their emotion or love. Maybe wanting a brand new beginning. Yeah, wanting to come out of the space of always feeling abandoned, always feeling sad, always feeling left out in the cold. Person A is now kind of healing, I think, right now, from this very committed kind of relationship which maybe was. And now they feel it's really no point giving this kind of energy to, I don't want to have any movement anymore, and I want to now become strong on my own and maybe start something new for myself and have a brand new beginning. I don't want to be in that place where, there's fighting and confusion, and I'm always, the loser here in this dynamic of this relationship where one person wins out and I never get to go anywhere with them. Right now, the chapter is not yet shut though. Spirits, what is this Ace of Pentacles then for person A? They are still kind of hoping, even though things have come to an end here, after all this sadness or whatever, they are still wishing upon a star. Now Capricorn, this could be you, this could be your person, right? Right now this chapter is not closed yet. Somebody is still wishing upon a star to have some brand new beginning with person B, and maybe there is some way we can still work things out. I don't like the feeling that I have to move out on my own and have a fresh new beginning alone for myself. As much as there is confusion here, they want to walk away, and yet they want to return. Okay, so there's a bit of confusion going on here. They don't know whether they should walk away, whether they should return, whether they should have a fresh new beginning and work with this person, or it'll be a foolish move on their end. There's too much regret here. There's too much regret here, feeling sad, looking at all these three cups which fell to the floor because this person A, who I think is the feminine, is still, very nurturing, kind, loving, wanting to be the perfect wife or spouse or partner. And there's a lot of regret over losing what was or what could have been. So what's this Fool in reverse, Spirit? Somebody wants to person A wants to drop this juggling back and forth, all this sneaky behavior, somebody running off of them. All these things have really hurt this queen. Okay, this really hurt. Somebody sneaking out, not doing the correct thing. They're just wishing upon the star that, oh God, I do love this person, and I'm having to pull back because this person is always doing the wrong thing. Why can't this person just kind of man up or, step up to the plate? Because I don't want to have this fresh beginning on my own. This person is just thinking, just, planning stage. What should I do? Should I move back? Should I move forward? Wishing and hoping. Yeah, I don't see the person A really making any concrete decision right now, even though they've kind of pulled back their love after this stagnation has happened. Let's see person B. Person B is in the Page of Swords energy, which means that they are heavily spying on person A. They are checking up to see how they're doing, and person B does love person A. So Capricorn, if this is your person and if you're here to check up on them, yes, they do love you a lot, and they are very, very stressed out at the moment. Look at this, the Nine of Swords, where they are like stressed out, self-imposed prison. They are checking up to see if you're with somebody else. They want to now come out of this hermit mode where you're not talking to them, they're not talking to you. They can't deal with the stress and tension anymore because they're not sure as to what's happening with you. They want to desperately, come towards you with a message. Okay, they want to take swift action towards you and come in their full power as the King of Wands and have clear communication with you now. Okay, because they are understanding, I think, that something is totally imbalanced here. Something was just not right. Things were not, equal. There was no equal give and take. Maybe they breadcrumbed you, and maybe there were other, things that they were giving their attention to. They are realizing that yes, there was a big imbalance here, but I so desperately want to have this Ace of Wands with person A. I want to have a fresh new beginning, passionate new beginning with person A, and I want this Ten of Pentacles with my person A, but right now they're feeling very, very burdened and overwhelmed because they are realizing what they've done, and they have a lot of regrets too. A lot of regrets. A lot of sadness, a lot of regrets, looking back at past mistakes. Now this was the same card you had as well, right? Person A had as well. Same card is on their end as well. So both of you are right now very regretful, very sad, very, very unhappy without the other. So Spirit, what is this Five of Cups here for person B? Yeah, this feeling of feeling stuck all the time, not being able, not having done justice to, a person A, or not having balance in this relationship is also breaking their heart now. Big time. They're very, very sad. Both of you are regretful, sad, and no wonder person A hasn't yet shut this chapter, because I think there is a lot of love here. And some mistake has been made, but the love is still there. Yeah, person A is feeling very, very bad. Person B. They are overwhelmed, they are feeling heartbroken, they are fearing that this relationship has come to a complete stop here. Okay, they are feeling miserable. I've never seen so much hurt and pain. Now they want to manifest you back. Person A, I don't know which side you're on, Capricorn, but if this is your person, this person is hurt, regretful and overwhelmed and overburdened with the thought of losing you, losing person A. And now they're trying their best to manifest you back in their life. Yeah, now they want to come to you with a lot of love, okay? And they want to bring back this balance. They want to have equal partnership, equal give and take. Now this is the card that they had earlier, which they were understanding what went wrong, right? Now they want to come to you, bringing justice, bringing love, bringing the magician energy, where they want to manifest something new with you to bring back balance in your relationship. Excellent and good. Person A, you haven't shut this chapter out completely, because somewhere deep down you were wishing for it, right? And that's why the star card was here, wishing upon a star. A lot of healing coming to this relationship, hopefully soon. So let's see what's in your mutual energy here. The moon, very good. So I think some secrets will be revealed soon. There'll be a coming together. And this is going to make you guys so happy. Capricorn is going to make you guys, both of you, I think we're going to talk about it. All secrets will be revealed, and it's going to give both of you a lot of happiness when, things are talked about. Communication is so important. Yeah. Now, all this confusion is going to be over soon, okay? You both are ready to fight for this relationship one more time. Maybe things have repeatedly gone wrong in the past, but one more shot, okay? You're both going to take a leap of faith and move forward to maybe renew this relationship once again. 5 of Swords is going to be in reverse. So whatever mind manipulation, cheating, lying, whatever happened in the past, I think this is going to be talked about, and I think one person is going to admit to all their faults of being in this devilish energy, and how karma has played them bad, and by losing person A. And I think it's all going to be honest and true of how somebody wants to now have a stable new beginning. It's not the in and out kind, but something which is really stable. They want to hold you and never let you go, Capricorn. They want to become very, very stable for you once again, and move ahead with you. So anything else, Spirit, here? For their mutual energy. So what is person A thinking here? But I think there's going to be a rebirth. Okay, whatever was done, all this toxicity, all this bad behavior, all this bad karma, all this is going to be talked about. There's going to be a death to the old ways of doing things, and a huge transformation is going to come into this relationship now. So let's see your third card here, the Empress, but it's in reverse. Why is the Empress in reverse, Spirit? Why is the Empress in reverse here? That means no growth yet. After all this talking, because only one person was admitting, and the Queen is, I think, a bit still upset and angry. So what's this Empress in reverse here? The Empress in reverse, Spirit? Okay. Oh, okay. The Empress, my darling Capricornians, is clarified by the Empress. Oh, I love it when these repeating cards pop out. But now they're confusing us, right? One is Empress in reverse and one is Empress in the upright. So Spirit, what does that mean? Help out. Okay, so that's why I was confused here in the mutual energy. It just seemed like one person was coming ahead and saying all these things, right? Okay, yes, I've been sneaky in the past and karma has hit me hard. I want to have a total transformation with you. I want to bring stability back. Yes, I was mean and I was selfish here, and I was, in this devilish energy. And I was wondering why it was mutual, and why wasn't the Queen involved in this? The Queen is coming out next to that, saying, I don't want to have any more growth with you. I am now the Empress myself. Okay, and till you don't prove to me that you can actually, I don't want your words anymore, right? I want to see action, and you have to prove yourself to me, because now I am the Empress, right? This time apart has taught me a lot of things about myself, self-love, self-care. I am abundant on my own, and I don't need to deal with anyone who is going to bring half-baked offers to me, right? So I think this queen is going to reject this apology and love offer at this time. Okay, she's not going to accept immediately. So anything else, Spirit, for this Empress? Oh, you both love each other so much. Okay, you both love each other so much, Capricorn. And yes, if you want to play, if you're the feminine watching this, you want to, kind of hold back, which is very good. You must, keep your self-respect and everything. Let them show you this love. It's high time, right? Because you love them. You haven't shut this chapter off either, as I told you already. There is love here, Capricorn, and wait and watch. Let them work at it. They love you too. So enjoy this game for a little while, but just know that without this love, both of you are heartbroken. You both miss each other so much. It's time to take back control of this relationship soon, because it's going to be passionate, hot and heavy. Alright, so let's take your time, but don't be in a rush. I totally agree with you, feminine, if you're doing that. And masculine, if you've really hurt this feminine, go out and show her now. Show her who's the man. Okay, be the emperor and take back control in a good way, in a nurturing, good, happy way. So let's take an angel blessing card for you as well. One more, Spirit. Thank you. So I think this is for the feminine, especially Capricorn, if you're this woman watching right now. I take a little step back, okay? Don't be worried. Just take your beauty, sleep and whatever, and believe that, this relationship, there is a lot of love here, okay? And it's time. It's going to be time soon to forgive this person. It's going to be time. So right now, just take a step back and rest up. They're coming. And sooner than later, you're going to have to forgive them if you both love each other very much. And if you're the masculine, stop sleeping on it, okay? Well, just get up now, because you know what this feminine is all about. And it's now time to forgive yourself also. If you have made any mistakes, let them go, okay? And go to your little feminine, beautiful feminine, and ask her for forgiveness. She loves you. She may act a little tough initially, but just know that there is a lot of love here. So there is going to be no new, fresh beginnings for either of you, I think, at this time. There is going to be a return, and you are both going to be dropping all this burden soon, okay? Because this is where you're going to come to, the 11-11, very stable place. There will be a reunion coming up soon. Okay, so that's all I have for you, Capricorn. Take care, love and light, and I'll see you soon next week.